This is a 2025 Ford Transit. We are doing a Apple Carplay Android Auto made by Pioneer. It's also a DVD player. There's no kit listed for this vehicle on Metra's website, but I found out if I use the older models and modify a little bit, it will fit. So I'm going to show you how we did it. So what you got to do is, the first thing you're going to do is on the top of the radio display screen, on back side of it, there is a small trim plate. You're going to have to pry that off, and it should be 3 screws on it. You remove that, and entire display part pushes up, and that you can detach the 2 plugs. And once you have them out, there should be 2 screws behind where the display used to be at. Remove those 2 screws, then you pry out the entire bezel around the heater control area air vent, and behind that air vent there is a tuner pack. You can unplug. We're not using it, obviously. So this is the little trim that you're gonna have to remove. Is 3 screws there. So use a little pick tool to get this entire back panel, small cat eye looking panel that comes out. Little snug, but it will come out. Those are the 3 screws we gotta take out. It's a Torx number 15 or 20. I forgot what it was. And now pull entire screen upward. That first plug we are unplugging, just like a tan looking, brownish looking. That is a display, and the other one is a power and switch. We don't use that. Remove those 2 screws. And next step is to pry out entire panel. The right corner was kind of snug, but it comes out. Just use a panel popper to pry that off. Okay, so detach that. Next step is there is a plastic panel held down with the 4 screws. Remove that. We are not going to put that back in. Once you get that out, that silver thing behind, that is the actual tuner pack. So remove the screws. By the way, these screws are all the same size. So once you unplug the harnesses, antenna adapter, remove that. Now, this is the dash kit. We are using a single DIN radio with a DVD player, and it's going to have a big space because it's a single DIN. The kit is made for double DIN. Pioneer makes the satellite unit that I actually separate the display part to the tuner part. but we are not using that. We are using this flip out DVD player. Customer said he has a whole bunch of CDs and DVDs. He would like to keep them, so we decided to put that. Now if you look at this opening here, the bottom corner was kind of snug and it wasn't quite fitting, so we had to trim that panel off. Once we trimmed the panel, and we were able to slide that entire CD DVD chassis further back into place. If you look at the top, they are kind of narrow, so we had to trim just the bottom side and put the CD DVD on the bottom side of it. The wiring is pretty simple. You just match the colors to color. Whatever don't match, don't use. And if you have a sync radio, this radio had a factory backup cam, and the Metra's module, this harness module kit, it supports the factory backup,
just test fitting
cam to be enabled.
This chassis is about 7 inches deep. There is no space on the top, so I had to put it on the bottom, and I put a little ABS cutout right there. That's how deep this is. There's no space on the top here, so the radio has to be on the bottom side like that. Make a little L bracket.